Hello everyone. Today, we're going to compare Wealthy Affiliates SiteRubix and GetResponse to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliates training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In the terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, GetResponse is primarily known for its email marketing platform, but it also offers website building features. With GetResponse, you can create websites, landing pages, and other marketing assets using its drag-and-drop editor. It's an all-in-one marketing solution that includes marketing automation, webinars, and CRM. In terms of pricing, GetResponse's plans vary depending on the features you choose. Email marketing plan at pricing $19, marketing automation plan at pricing $59, and e-commerce marketing plan at pricing $119. When comparing SiteRubix and GetResponse, the main difference lies in their focus. SiteRubix is a comprehensive website building platform with a strong educational component, making it a great choice for beginners or those looking to improve their online business skills. GetResponse is a marketing platform that includes website building tools as part of its broader offering, making it ideal for those who want a complete marketing solution. To determine which is better for building websites in 2024, consider your specific needs. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.